guys, so I'm gonna be doing a review on, should have been more prepared, I don't even have it on. Let's start over. Hey guys, so today I will be doing a review on this black diamond, what is this called? 100% all natural charcoal teeth whitening. Black is the new white. So I've been using this for a while now, and I feel like you can definitely see a difference, like right when you just start spinning it out of your mouth. But it is very messy, so I do it a certain way. I learned how to do it a certain way. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys a review and see if you guys can see a difference. So this is my teeth right now. Don't mind my makeup, it's like the end of the day. And on my foundation and my liquid lipstick. But prior to this, I always brush my teeth like how I regularly do, so I use this Oral-B Braun toothbrush. Don't mind if it's like red, it's from my freaking liquid lipstick. And then I use this, I'm running low, I gotta bust out my new one, this Crest 3D white toothpaste, if you can see. And then I just use like, I got like a old, or not like an old, like a regular, you know, scrubbing toothbrush, and I use that with this powder. So let's get started. Good old teeth. Did I get on my teeth already? Good old teeth pull. That's my teeth before. Just take a picture and maybe we can do a side by side. And then it says to dip it in. So this is one thing, it's not really sanitary. Oh, look, the powder is already all on my hand. It's not really sanitary because you're dipping your toothbrush in it. I don't use a new toothbrush, I use the same toothbrush. But this is my own personal one. I bought everyone else in the house their own, so nobody else would want to try it, and if they like it, use it. Just because that's kind of gross. And I just keep tapping off the excess because it gets really, really messy. Like the first couple times I did it, it got really, really messy to the point where my entire bathroom had like black shatter splats. It was like all over my sink, on the wall, and it was like all over the toilet bowl. And I was like, what the hell? And then it kind of left like some parts stained and some parts didn't. So I'm actually gonna go in the bathtub because you'll see this is a hot freaking mess. Like they don't tell you that in it, but I'm gonna tell you it because I'm gonna be honest. So I like toothpaste. I'm a hot mess. Sorry, I'm trying to put you guys somewhere so I don't have to hold the camera, but I have to let the video because I'm too short. So there's to go. I hope I don't get my camera dirty. Let me back it up. And they say to do circle motions. I read reviews, people saying that you don't scrub back and forth, you do circular motions. So let's get this started. Oh, this is not good lighting in here though. It's okay, we'll go back to that part. So I just focus on like the front. I don't focus on like here or like the back because that doesn't really need to be whitened. I just focus on the front, as you will see. I took too long, it's like dry. Yeah, I just gotta get some saliva working. And it says to do it for 5 minutes. I didn't even read you guys the directions. After I brush, I will read you guys the directions. I should just read it now. Forget. The directions say, simply wet your brush, then carefully dip it into the powder, gently start brushing as normal for 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. And don't swallow. And it doesn't have a flavor, it's just powdery. Like you can feel the powder texture, but it doesn't have a flavor. So it's not like it's nasty. Oh shoot. See, look, the black stuff is going everywhere. Close the curtain a little bit. So I am in my bathroom. It's going everywhere, look. And I even tried to brush nicely and it's just like, whatever. But since I'm in the bathtub, I'm just gonna go freely because no matter what, it makes a freaking mess. You guys see it? Okay, 5 minutes. Hold up. You guys see that mess? My hand, my arm. So doesn't it look like white already? Where's the bathtub? Oh, this is one other thing.
Why don't I want here? I'll drop it too.
Yeah, that's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse it and then I'll show you guys another issue I have with this toothbrush thing. So I just like rinsed myself, you know, kind of cleaned up the black stuff, and this is the issue I have. It's not even that big of an issue though. Like usually, maybe because I took a while because I kind of rinsed down the bathtub so that black stuff doesn't stain the tub. So maybe if you leave it in your mouth a little with your saliva, it doesn't make your gums black. But so then like every other time before this time, it always made my gums black. But look, it's not even really like black. Can you see? Like there's a little.
Let me see. Oh.
But it's not that bad. So usually, I learned this from Leaky. So the first time I did it, I went out with black gums, okay? I just left it black because I was like, I don't know what to do. But then when Leaky first used it, after he like rinsed out his mouth, he went back in with his toothbrush with water only, and just started scrubbing. And that made all the black stuff come out of his gums. So like right now there's a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll show you guys my end result. So this is the end result. Let's do like a side by side if you guys can see a difference. I feel like there's a difference. Let me look at myself in the mirror really fast. Oh, there's a. She didn't do it. No, I feel like there is a difference. I mean, it's not like pearly white like you know how I wish it was, but I feel like it is. It's like squeaky clean.
Squeaky clean.
But yeah, so that's my only complaints about this was that one, it's super duper messy, and then two, stop talking, and then two, it leaves your gums black, so you just have to scrub it out. But this time it didn't do that. Maybe because I left it in my mouth a little bit longer. Sorry, I'm not even in the frame. But yeah, that's my review on it. I feel like it doesn't make a difference. It's just really messy, and it gives you black gums.
Black gums.
Except for when I'm filming, obviously. But yeah, if there's any other thing you guys want me to review, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Thumbs up. Shaka. And oh, I bought this. Okay, hold on. I bought this off of Facebook. I seen like an ad, you know, of all those pretty girls with all their makeup on. Shh. The ad where all like the pretty girls are like scrubbing their teeth with their full face of makeup. I got it from there. How look. Black. But yeah, this is my review. How I feel about it. I feel like it does work though. It does work. Thumbs up for you, Black Diamond. Just makes it kind of a messy mess. But yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
And me three, and my mom, Lisa.
Okay.